Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystalfontz, and I've got a treat for you today. We're checking out our two transparent LCDs, but this time we're making it easier than ever to work with them because we're offering full development kits, ready to go straight out of the box. If you haven't seen our transparent LCDs before, definitely check out the link I'll put up here. These displays are super cool. They're available in both parallel and SPI interfaces, and we've got them in 1.1 inch and 2.2 inch sizes. First up, let's talk about the 1.1 inch transparent LCD development kit. Everything you need is included in the box: the 1.1 inch transparent LCD, a Arduino microcontroller, our Crystalfontz breakout board, jumper wires, and of course all the connectors. It's all pre-wired and running our demo code. Just plug in a micro USB cable, not included, and power it up. Boom, your display comes to life. It's really that easy. And since the demonstration code is open source and preloaded on the Arduino, you can dive into modifying it right away. Whether you're prototyping a wearable, exploring transparent UI concepts, or just want something fun on your bench, this is a solid place to start. Next, we've got the 2.2 inch transparent LCD development kit. Here's everything included: the 2.2 inch transparent LCD, a Arduino, breakout board, jumper wires and connectors, and the demo code pre-installed. Just connect it to power via micro USB cord and you're instantly up and running. These kits aren't just about convenience, they're also a great way to evaluate our transparent LCDs in your project. You can test clarity, response, and integration with your hardware, all without hunting for parts or fiddling with wiring. Now, something else you should know. When you buy from Crystalfontz, you're getting more than just great hardware. We've got phenomenal tech support ready to help you through setup, integration, or any curveballs you run into. We don't require any minimum order quantities, which makes it easy to prototype or build one-offs without jumping through hoops. Plus, all our products include detailed datasheets, quantity pricing, and fast shipping from our warehouse here in the US. So whether you're experimenting with transparent displays for fun, or building the next-gen heads-up interface, these dev kits will save you time and get you building faster. Check the links below for more details, datasheets, and to grab your kit. And as always, feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. We love helping you build awesome stuff. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.
You're experts in LCD.